Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, I know I was supposed to film on Wednesday and Friday, but a lot of things came up on those days and I could not film. So I'm posting today and tomorrow. So today I am doing something a little bit different. So I got a whole bunch of facts right down below me and I have Fortnite up right now. And for every kill that I get, I'm going to be saying one fact about elephants. So we're gonna have a jam-packed, full day. So let's get rolling, let's get started. If you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're almost at 150 and it is amazing. It is so cool. We keep getting closer every single day. Don't forget to watch every single video all the way through. It helps me a lot. Also, if you don't know already, I just started a Patreon. It is patreon.com/SHESSOSYD. It's only $1 and for every Patreon I get, half of your donation, half of your money, whatever it is, goes to either a Gofundme page that I have been working with for a little bit now, and I am also going to be sending a little bit of money to help college students pay for their tuition, because that shit is expensive, and I want to help out as best as I can, and yeah. So go be a Patreon. I don't know how to say it. This is my first time talking about it. So go join and let's help people together.
I gotta make use of my time somehow. I guess putting my shit on the line.
Elephants are one of the most intelligent mammals to live on this earth, which is very, very cool. Alright, back to the game.
I'll be able to do that shit now. That's rhyming itself. My whole fucking life, I only felt just like a cartoon, but now I'm on the rise and my career about to start soon. I'ma make you jump, make you move, and make you scream too. I'ma show you what that body do and show what I came to do. I'ma make some music, I'ma make some hits. I'm the only one who fucking really gives a shit. I'm the only one who's always planning all the hits. I'm the only one with the scar marks all up his wrists. My papa in the fort, my mama go to court. They argue over dumb shit that they know they can't afford. It's fucking stupid, really. I don't know what to do.
Oh, you know what?
I'm locked inside my room with a Glock to shit my tune. But I don't sit and mourn, I pray my soul to keep. I do it in my bed while I lay, I'm counting sheep. I do it till I sleep, just wait till I awake. Be careful what you say or your soul I will remake.
Just, Jesus, that makes me so mad.
Alright. Alright. Let's see if I can do this shit. Let's hope. Oh, fuck. Alright. I'm the devil reincarnate, venomous with carnage. All your mumble rappers are whack in your garbage. I'm the motherfucker with a strap and a harness. I'll leave your brain laid flat on the carpet. Or you at the market, damn how.
So fact number 2, they are the largest mammals on Earth. Honestly,
I'm at the start with a gat and I'm frightening. I'll spit faster than the flash, make the lightning. Put it in a bag and I'm mad and I'm fighting. Let me slow down for you to understand. You can't even stand for the shit I spit, man. This shit is so mad that I cannot comprehend. While my flow is so cold that my hand is cramped. Damn, it's like I went outside and ran with a foot in my hand with some bitches to the van tied up to the side as I beat her with a candle while I'm rapping like a man. And the minutes go on, that's when we sample. Fuck with the bars, I'ma keep it going far. I'm a star with Lamar. I'm a kid like a car while I'm never raise a bar. I'ma jump like Avatar. I'ma smoke a can of car. Holy shit.
wow, that was probably the worst that I've ever done. Yeah. We're just gonna hop right into another game.
My bars hard, I'm bizarre, but I'ma drop it like a czar. Let me switch up the rhyme with a different type of word. I'm the new kid you probably never even heard. Fucking take a break. Yo, I'm the motherfucker really wanna be tight with. I'm the motherfucker you probably wanna be right with. I'm the motherfucker you really don't wanna pick a fight with. I'm the motherfucker loading up the all-right clips. Fuck, I need to take a break. Shit. Woo! Alright. Oh, this is the fucking worst part of the shit. Oh, I don't understand how people do this shit in one breath. Con, who the fuck are you?
Elephants are most dangerous when the bull elephant, which is a male elephant, is in
Are
muscle.
you an alien or some shit? Damn. Alright, short verse 2. I'ma crack you in the jaw while I beat you to the floor. I'ma meet you at the mall and I'm coming back with more. Let me take up by the horns and maybe fuck a couple whores. Do a line that doesn't send their fucking head into the door. I'm a fucking maniac, you don't know who I'm coming for. Maybe him, maybe her, when it's fast you can go. I'm bagging up them hoes with the depth until it's no. I'ma do it all for show for no one to tell me no. Fuck. I can't do more, man. I guess it's time for me to go. Fuck, that was sloppy.
Musk is when a male elephant's testosterone goes up.
Do it better next time.
Elephants eat grass, leaves, the woody part of the tree, so the bark, shrubs, flowers, and fruit.
I gotta make use of my time somehow. I guess putting my shit on the line.
Elephants need to eat 150 kilograms per day. That's 50 tons per year.
Only way I'll be able to do that shit now. That's a rhyme in itself. My whole fucking life I only felt it's like a cartoon, but now I'm on the rise in my career.
The average adult elephant can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. The largest ever recorded elephant was 3.96 meters tall and weighed 10,400 kilograms.
Career about to start soon. I'ma make you jump, make you move, and make you scream too. I'ma show you what that body do and show what I came to do.
Baby elephants can weigh up to 120 kilograms, but the average only weighs about 100.
I'ma make some music, I'ma make some hits. I'm the only one who fucking really gives a shit. I'm the only one who's...
Baby elephants are called calves. Elephants use their tusks for digging food, water, stripping bark off trees, and they use them for in battle. And the bigger your tusks are, the more attractive you are.
Always planning all the hits. I'm the only one with the scar marks all up his wrists. My papa in the fort, my mama go to court. They argue over dumb shit that they know.
Humans can be left-handed or right-handed, and so can elephants, except they can be left-tusked or right-tusked. The average African elephant can live up to 70 years, but the Asian elephant can only live up to 48. Did you know that elephant groups are female-led? Living in groups makes it easier for elephants to survive. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go to my Patreon. I'm helping college students and Gofundme pages, and as well as all my other brand deals, which I will put down below. Go to any one of them. You can get yourself some clothes, phone cases, you name it, you can probably get it. All of the companies I work with are eco-friendly, animal-friendly, all of that. And I'm so very excited to say that I made my first sale on Casely, and someone bought themselves a case, so that makes me very, very happy that someone used my code. So if you want to use my code, it'll be linked in the description below to get 30% off your Casely case. They do Samsung and iPhone, so go check them out. As always, you guys, thank you for watching, and you who stayed till the end, you are my favorite kind of viewer, so thank you so much. Comment down below one of your favorite emojis and I will shout you out on my Twitter. So thank you so much. I love you. Peace.